Hume Health Band features. In this video, I am going to give you the fastest rundown of the Hume Health Band's features. The Hume Band is a screenless, wrist-worn wellness tracker built for continuous 24/7 wear. It monitors heart rate variability, blood oxygen saturation, skin temperature, activity, and stress levels around the clock. What sets it apart is its longevity focus. Instead of just daily scores, it generates two signature metrics: metabolic momentum and metabolic capacity, designed to show whether your daily habits are speeding up or slowing down your body's aging process over time. On battery, expect around 4 to 5 days of real-world use per charge, and it charges quickly, often fully topped up in the time it takes you to shower. Pricing sits around $356, though it's frequently discounted, and here's the big one: core metrics and raw data are fully accessible with no required subscription. An optional premium tier at under $10 a month adds deeper AI coaching, but it's not needed for full functionality. It also pairs with the optional Hume Pod for body composition tracking, giving you a combined ecosystem for whole body health data. That's the Hume Band in 60 seconds. Smash that like button and subscribe for more fast tech breakdowns. Comment below, band or ring, which one are you leaning toward?